Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Condor 2 is a popular flight simulator that offers a realistic glider flying experience. To enhance your simulation experience, you can create a DIY cockpit with glider controls for use with virtual reality, VR, setups. This setup can greatly improve immersion and realism while flying in Condor 2. To create a DIY cockpit for Condor 2 glider controls, you will need the following components. 1 glider control stick. You can use a joystick or yoke to control the pitch and roll of the glider. 2 rudder pedals. These pedals will allow you to control the yaw of the glider. 3 throttle quadrant, to control the air brakes and spoilers on the glider. 4 VR headset, to immerse yourself in the virtual cockpit of Condor 2. Here is a step-by-step tutorial to set up your DIY cockpit for Condor 2 VR glider controls. 1. Connect your glider control stick, rudder pedals, and throttle quadrant to your computer using USB connections. 2. Launch Condor 2 and navigate to the control settings. 3. Assign the appropriate axes and buttons on your control devices to the corresponding controls in Condor 2. For example, map the pitch and roll axes to the joystick, yaw to the rudder pedals, and air brakes/spoilers to the throttle quadrant. 4. Put on your VR headset and enter the virtual cockpit in Condor 2. 5. Adjust your seat position and control positions within the virtual cockpit to match your physical setup. 6. Start flying your glider in Condor 2 with the enhanced realism and immersion provided by your DIY cockpit setup. Here is an example code snippet to demonstrate how you can map control inputs in Condor 2 using a DIY cockpit setup. This code snippet demonstrates how you can map joystick axes, rudder pedals, and throttle controls to the corresponding flight controls in Condor 2 using the Condor 2 Python API. With this setup, you can enjoy a more immersive glider flying experience in Condor 2 using your DIY cockpit controls. I hope this tutorial helps you set up your DIY cockpit for Condor 2 VR glider controls. Enjoy your flights in the virtual skies with enhanced realism and immersion.